We wanted our Valentine's Day to be extra sulit and memorable this love month, kaya dito kami nag-celebrate ni Habi sa Food Club Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Dito namin napili kasi alam naming sulit, paano ba naman, over 100 dishes ang meron sila dito. From Filipino, Japanese, Chinese to Western cuisine. Para kang nag-food trip around the world in one place. Kaya mas naging special yung Valentine's celebration namin. Sa sobrang dami ng choices, malulula ka na lang talaga kung saan ka magsisimula. May dalawang nag-stand out sa amin dito ni Habi at syempre yung unang-una walang iba kundi yung lechong kawali. I even got the chance to visit their kitchen and guys, on the spot talaga nila ginagawa yung order. So makikita mo talaga na fresh, bagong luto at quality lahat ng bawat serving. At syempre hindi rin magpapahuli yung pastries nila. Kailang kuha si Habi dyan kahit busog na siya. Kung curious kayo magkano ba dito, ipa-flash ko na lang dyan sa screen yung 2026 buffet rates nila. Plus, meron din silang birthday promo, senior and PWD discounts, and kids rate. Ang best part dito, no time limit so you can really enjoy your food. And here's a sulit tip, they offer worth 1,000 pesos gift certificate for only 950 pesos. No expiration and valid in any branches. Ang nagustuhan ko rin dito kasi mababait yung staffs nila and ang bilis din mag-refill ng dishes kaya hindi ka mabibitin sa pagkain. Meron rin pala silang VIP rooms na perfect for events or celebrations. Whether it's with family, barkada, or your loved one, guradong busog kayo sa food, fun, at experience here at Food Club Ayala Malls, Manila Bay.